Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Nissan X-Trail, Tekna, fully loaded, self-parking, front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass, cameras, 360 cameras, opening panoramic roof, keyless entry, keyless starting, sat nav, absolutely everything, diamond cut alloys. This locks it, mirrors park. Push this button. When you start the vehicle up, the mirrors come out. We'll show you that. Electric passenger seat and driver's seat as well. Opening panoramic roof, as you can see, which is already open. Very important part, locking wheel nut key, never lose that. I'll show you the back seats. These seats will fold down, quite heavy. Shows you the seats are good. I just want to show you the seats being good really. So this seat folds forward. Back up, Isofix rear seat. Electronic tailgate. That's your camera there. And so these seats, you pull this here, and the seat will fold down. To shut the tailgate, huge area, so these seats fold down as well. To shut the tailgate, push that button there. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. Electronic adjustable driver's seat. Into the vehicle, you can see you can turn your power door on and off. Stop sight you can turn on and off. Heated steering wheel. Lane departure warning, so you can open your tailgate. Traction control, eco button, just basically makes the car more economical. Quickly zoom into that, you can see that's 19,425 miles. Start the vehicle, foot on the brake, as long as you've got the key in here, push that button. USB and auxiliary there, power point here. As you can see, it's automatic. Heated seats, but it's also got heated rear seats, which is fully loaded. Power outlet here, so obviously charge your phone if you leave your phone in here. Illuminated vanity mirror, both sides, self-tinting mirror, you can turn this off and on, sunglass case holder there. To shut the tailgate, sorry, shut the sunroof, you see this, and the blind will shut. You can stop the blind if you don't want it shut, it will shut all the way. That's the blind shut, I'll open the blind again. If you want the tilt, you push and it vents it, you get a gap. That's this button here. To shut it, push it forward. It shuts. Let me show you the camera. Dual climate control. Reversing camera. But you've got this self-parking, so you can park where you, basically where you want really. You park where you park assist. Select forward gear, so you would go, we would give you a demonstration, sorry you can't see that, you can see it now. We would give you a demonstration. It's probably easier to call up. Use a turn signal to save the sides, basically. So it's self-parking. Push the button here, turns it off. Radio, auxiliary, CD, map, setup. This is different options. Sorry, it's free. Can't stop that. Trying to stop the trying to make it so you can see it basically. That's touchscreen, obviously. Info, different messages. A bit hard to stop the sun actually. Auto lights here. Auto wipers. Here you've got your speed limiter and cruise control, voice activation, telephone button. As this scrolls different menus, you can see that menu there. Changing here, different menus, what you want really. That gives you different menus. You can adjust the height of the steering column as well here. I shall turn the vehicle off. Because you've got the key in your pocket. Thanks for watching. If you get any questions, please give us a call.